Hello friends, today in this video we are going to see about clearing the checkboxes. For example, if the checkbox is cleared like this, so there should be a button to clear this or to reset this. So for example, if I click it here, so here the check mark is removed. So this is what we are going to see in this video. Let's go to File, New Project. Now select empty template. The name we can give as clear checkbox. Click on Finish. Now let's select activity main.xml. We'll remove the default text. Let's now add two checkboxes. So this is my checkbox 1 and this is checkbox 2. Now we will add the buttons. So one button is a submit button and we'll add another button for resetting it. So now let us give the proper namings. So for the checkbox 1, we'll give the text as car and the checkbox ID we can make it as checkbox 1. Similarly for checkbox 2, we'll give the name as bike and the checkbox ID is already checkbox 2. It's okay. Now let us rename this button as submit button and we'll name this to button 1. Next we'll add the other button as reset and the button ID is button 2. Now let's go to the coding. At first we have to create 4 variables. Like here we have added 4 items, right? Car, bike, submit and reset. These 2 are buttons. So we'll define these 4 variables using latent parameter. So latent variable car and the type of this car is checkbox. Similarly latent variable bike. So here for the variable name we can give any name and the type is checkbox. And again latent variable submit and the submit button type is a button. And another variable reset and its type is button. This is step 1. Step 2 is we have to identify the checkbox and button. For that we'll use car equal to find view by ID or dot ID. So car is checkbox 1. So we'll select checkbox 1 here. And similarly bike equal to find view by ID or dot ID and bike is checkbox 2. Next is submit equal to find view by ID or dot ID and find is button 1. So we'll select button 1. Similarly for reset equal to find view by ID or dot ID and the reset button is button 2. So we'll select button 2. So now we have mapped the button IDs to this variables. Next we have to define the reset function. So reset is a button. So we have to define an on click listener for it. So in this reset function we are going to define as reset dot set on click listener. That means when the click is made on this reset button, what is the action that needs to be taken. So here we are defining a if condition that once the button is clicked, then it will go to the if condition and the if condition is for car. So if car is checked, that means if the car checkbox is checked, this is the action that will be executed. That means car set checked false. That means it will clear the check tag from car. Similarly, we have to do it for bike. So we'll add another condition if bike dot is checked. So this is a function. Then the condition is bike dot checked. The function is false. So here it should be in capital C. Okay. Now our code is ready. We can execute and we can verify it. So we can run the emulator. So the emulator is started and we got 2 checkboxes and 2 buttons. Now we'll check out car and we'll check out bike and let's click on reset. So now both the buttons got resetted. This is very a simple program. So hope you guys understood the logic behind the creation of this program. So in case of any doubts, you can always feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section. Also, please do subscribe to this channel so that you will get up to date on the new upcoming coding techniques. Thank you.